Neck pain and headaches are two conditions that we treat a lot of in cyclists and triathletes, and I think it's pretty obvious why. That we're in kind of an unnatural position for sometimes hours and hours at a time, and when we have very limited ability to get out of that position, it just creates a lot of stress, a lot of tightening of the muscles and stiffness around the joints, and that can result in pain and some headache type symptoms. So this is assuming that you already have a bike fit that works well for you, but even the best bike fits, you have to position your body well to get the most out of it. So what a lot of cyclists tend to do when riding is they want to look ahead. So to do that, they tilt their head up like this. So their face is completely facing forward. They're looking ahead, scanning around. But what that does is when you bring your head up like that, it compresses your neck, particularly in this upper part of the cervical spine. And that's an area that causes a lot of headaches. So what you want to do, instead of holding your whole head up to look ahead, is starting from your mid-back, think about just kind of straightening your body and keeping your ears over your shoulders. But this is a more neutral position for your neck to be in. So the joints are happy, the muscles are in a better resting position here. And to look ahead now, just tilt your head up slightly to where you're looking about 20 feet ahead of you. So that's gonna be your primary field of vision, just to see riders immediately around you, anything in the road that you have to be aware of. And that's gonna be the main focus and where you wanna position yourself for majority of your riding. So your upper back is engaged, your head's just barely tilted up, and you're looking ahead about 20 feet or so in front of you. Now, while you're looking ahead, you're gonna use your peripheral vision up top to kind of scan ahead, look for bigger obstacles, big tree branches or cars in the road, whatever it is. And then if you want to get a more clear view of that ahead, so don't resort to tilting your head up to look ahead. Keep that focus about 20 feet in front of you, and all you do is just look up with your eyes, and that's it. So your head's in a really good position, your neck's in a good position, and you're able to just look ahead safely and without putting excessive strain into your neck. So it takes a little bit of practice, a little bit of getting used to if you're used to just doing that to look ahead. But the more you get this dialed in, you're gonna be much happier after long rides. You'll notice less headaches if that's something that you're experiencing, less neck pain, less neck stiffness, just less tension overall in your upper back and shoulder area. So again, from this position, try to straighten out your mid-back, get the ears over the shoulders a bit, look ahead about 20 feet, and then use your eyeballs to scan around and look ahead versus tilting your head up like that.